Thank you, Paul, for this excellent general introduction to our workshop with a presentation of our two parallel initiatives, yours in US, ADOPT, and ours in Europe at OBEDIS. I'm Professor Martine Laville. I'm Professor of Nutrition at Lyon 1 University and Hospice Civil de Lyon, and working in research, both in the Research Center for Human Nutrition and in the INSERM unit, Carmen. And I'm here as having the pleasure to head the very nice consortium called at OBEDIS. This consortium was on behalf of ESO. It has been granted by the Joint Programming Initiative, A Healthy Diet for a Healthy Life, and has also the support of the FCRAN Network for Obesity Force. You can see the publication that has been made by the consortium and the name of all the experts that have been involved. They are well-known experts in the field of obesity, but have also specificity in the different fields we want to cover. So now we will focus on the aim of this workshop. The aim of the workshop is to try to reach a consensus among stakeholders towards a universal description of obesity that could be implemented in all clinical trials. And we will start by the presentation of the proposal from the at OBEDIS consortium. As Paul has explained, there is a lot of difference between people. We are all different, and people involved in the trial are also all different. That could partly or largely explain the discrepancy between the results of at the different treatment, with some good responder and non-responder. So it is crucial to be able to characterize better the people that are involved in the trial. And the focus of at OBEDIS was to look at parameters that we think have an impact on the treatment response, but that are rather minimal in order to be feasible in all situations.